boots by the back door, 2 sets of prints in the drive. My best friend's hat on the counter, and his cologne hanging in the blinds. Kitchen light buzzing over, 2 half-warm beers by the sink. Her lipstick on his bottle, I could taste it every time I'd blink. She took the dog and the truck and the last of my pride. Left her ring on the table and his hand on her thigh. Every mile that they're making burns a hole in my gut. She took the dog and the truck. She took the dog and the truck. Caught their laughs through the screen door, shadows dancing down the hall. His boots tangled in her blue jeans, my world pictures on the wall. He said, man, it ain't what you're thinking, but his belt buckle told the truth. She just stared right through my shaking hands like she'd already cut me loose. Now his name's on the spot at our corner bar stool. Her brush in his bathroom, I'm the last to look a fool. Front yard's just dirt where my old truck sat, dog.